This problem, we're gonna go from the right hand side of the problem because it looks more complicated. Okay, so we're just gonna start with the right hand side of the problem. So for step first, I need you guys to copy it down. And after that, I figured this is complicated, too complicated, so I wanted everything to be in sine, cosine, right? So by definition, tangent, it equals to sine divided by cosine. So let me get to that, right? So tangent squared, I would have sine squared divided by cosine squared for both top and my bottom, right? So 1 and the plus and the minus, I'm just going to carry it over. The only thing that happens in here is that I'm replacing tangent squared by sine squared divided by cosine squared. And after that, I figure this is looking awkward as a fraction, so I'm going to be multiplying everything by cosine squared so that I don't have to work with the bottom of each, denominator and numerator, okay? So I'm going to parenthesize them and multiply everything by cosine squared. And after that, 1 times cosine squared would be the cosine squared in green in here. For negative sine squared over cosine squared times cosine squared, the cosine squared canceled out, so I would get just negative sine squared. Same thing happens on the denominator. 1 times cosine squared, I would have cosine squared. Positive sine squared over cosine squared times cosine squared, the cosine squared cancels out, so I would get positive sine squared. Okay? After this, if you notice, on the numerator, the green expression, there's an identity that looks like it. It is cosine of 2x, right? This is one of the version for cosine of 2x. At the same time, for the denominator, this is one of the version of the Pythagorean identities. Cos squared plus sine squared equals to 1. So together, we're going to get cosine of 2x divided by 1. These are all the formulas of the identities, right? And we all know, using arithmetic knowledge, right, cosine of 2x divided by 1, we would get just cosine of 2x. And that is our left-hand side in this case. And that's the end to this problem.